Kublai pi baru gini longki kubor bam tagasngi. Hagawai pat karai ka cabinet kalamanjuri ki Meghalaya Day Awards 2026. Haga bentaat san literature lamanjur yaga kerteng jongka Dr. Ken Pham Singh Nongkanri ban ai khusnam. Utirat Singh Award haga benta social service lamanjur ka kerteng jong Father Vinoy Joseph. Ya kapatagan sangma hakamta sport and games lamanjur ya kerteng jong ka Ri Iohlang Dhar banyo ika khusnam Kiang Nangbah award umentri rangba ulo ang bakini kilong kirai ba kong san ki blashim hapo kijung yalang pat ba formal items jong ka cabinet. Ula benrap ru baladon kijung yakran halor ki kam bapher ha ki benta bom day ki bala tho pat ba informal items ki be day ba kijung yalinti jong ka sorkar. Ha ka be day ba ki kam sun shar pat ba ka cabinet kalamanjur ban penjelan ya kajing syakri jong ba gala ha ka Directorate of Urban Affairs sadu lai benai. Menteri rang ba ulo ang ba kani karai kalong namar babun pa ki project badang ya ha ka katanat badban om pensniu kajing ya pat ba jong ki kam bad ki project badang pentri kam. Ka cabinet kalamanjur ban penjelan ban re-engage ya kajing syakri jong ki head officer Wat hadin karta syong thai lamanjur ban penjelan ni kajing syakri jong ba Robert Lingdo ubarim official secretary kum officer on special duty OSD ha ka planning department kum juru lamanjur ban penjelan ya kajing syakri jong ba Bruce B Marang ubarim chief engineer ubrang syakri kum advisor ka Meghalaya integrated transport project ka project ba la ai junior rapisa da ka World Bank.
Public Day speech that was there today. We have cleared the speech, which is going to be, of course, read out by the Honorable Governor in Shillong and by respective cabinet ministers and other dignitaries in different parts of the state. We have also decided, these are more administrative, smaller issues. So there was an extension of service of one of the superintending engineers in the Directorate of Urban Affairs for 3 months. So the services of Ri Iohlang has been extended for 3 months, and this is necessitated because of the large number of projects today that is taking place, and it would affect the overall functioning of the projects and the work that's going on. And keeping that in mind, we have extended his services by 3 months. Also, we have decided to re-engage and extend the services in terms of the officer on special duty and ex-officio secretary for the government of Meghalaya in the planning department in the Meghalaya Age Limited. So Shri Robert Lingdo is a retired official of the planning department. We have decided to extend his services there in MAL. Similarly, the extension of services for Mr. Bruce P. Mara, who was a former retired chief engineer. His work also as advisor in the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project, which is a World Bank project, has also been approved today. We also would like to share that the government and the cabinet today has decided on the Meghalaya Day Awards 2026. So the Utturat Singh Award for Arts and Literature has been decided for Dr. K. S. Nongkanri, for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services. The name of Father Vinoy Joseph has been approved by the cabinet, and for Kiang Nangbah Award for Sports and Games, Srimati Ri Iohlang Dhar. Her name has been proposed and approved by the cabinet today. So these were the major decisions that were approved by the cabinet.